Team Nakshatra presents Intelligent Stress Buster. Stress represents anything that poses a threat or a challenge to our well-being. According to a survey, 63% of the population has been reported with high stress levels, leading to extreme fatigue, which leads to suicidal tendency. 32% of them have constant but manageable stress levels. This stress is occurring due to pressure in workplaces, studies, and family problems. So, we came up with an innovative idea to reduce stress using various methodologies. Features. First, stress detection. Second, playing music, games for reducing stress. Third, sending SMS through GSM technology.
Firstly, the raw EEG data is acquired through NeuroSky Mindwave headset, which has been interfaced with LabVIEW 2012 using NeuroSky LabVIEW driver. This is the main program code for the project. The output from the NeuroSky LabVIEW driver is fed to the main VI program. The signal passes through 3 filters corresponding to normal, stressed or overstressed condition. These signals are displayed in real-time graphs. We are simulating the EEG signal artificially since a person cannot be stressed and overstressed at the same time. Now, if the person is found to be stressed, then the corresponding green LED glows, indicating his condition. Music will start playing automatically if he is found stressed. We have interfaced the Arduino board with LabVIEW. Here we can see that the green light is blinking if the person is stressed. In the stressed condition, he can also play mind-relaxing games programmed in LabVIEW. One can also see pictures to relax his mind. In the overstressed condition, the corresponding red LED glows. Red LED glows in the Arduino as well. This is the program code for the GSM module in LabVIEW 2012. In the overstretched condition, a text message will be sent to his family member or friend through GSM module. The receiver's number is preset in the program code. Since the NeuroSky headset also captures EOG signal, hence eye blinking can be shown through LabVIEW front panel. We have interfaced this to the Arduino board. A blink in the eye causes the LED blinking in the Arduino as well. In future, the Arduino will be replaced by a door or a window which closes or opens by eye blinking of the person with the use of IR sensor. This will help the overstressed person to get rid of the surrounding noise. Thanks to the mentors, Dr. J.K. Roy, Dean and HOD of EI Department, Ms. Banshuri Dev, Assistant Professor of EI Department of our college, and special thanks to JIS Group for the financial support.